If you spend a lot of time outdoors and need a reliable partner on your wrist, the Garmin Instinct 3 in the 50mm size is built exactly for that. Right out of the box, you notice this watch is heavy-duty. It features a metal-reinforced bezel that gives it a solid, rugged feel, making it ready for anything from a mountain hike to a long day at a worksite. The charcoal gray finish looks professional yet understated. One of the most useful additions here is the built-in LED flashlight. It's surprisingly handy when you are fumbling for keys in the dark or need a quick light source on a trail, and you can even adjust the brightness or switch to different modes depending on what you need. Because this model uses a solar charging lens, it gathers energy from sunlight to extend your battery life, which is perfect if you're away from power outlets for a few days. In terms of daily use, the interface is straightforward. You get all the essential metrics like heart rate, sleep tracking, and GPS positioning without the screen feeling cluttered. It connects seamlessly with your phone to keep you updated with notifications, and even though it is a larger 50mm watch, the strap design makes it comfortable enough to wear all day without it feeling too bulky or getting in your way. Since this set comes with earbuds, you have a complete package for your workouts. You can listen to your pace or heart rate updates directly through the headphones, keeping your hands free and your focus on the path ahead. It's an incredibly durable piece of tech that handles shocks, water, and extreme temperatures easily. Whether you are tracking a new route or just keeping an eye on your activity levels throughout the week, this watch is a reliable tool that does exactly what you need it to do without making things complicated.